So let's start the session.
Yes, we are ready now.
Okay, great. So first of all, my name is Elia. I'm the Senior Customer Account Manager in Connected Safety Net. Later on, we will introduce the team. So we had a really nice journey with Rotana for the past 6 months, and there is 2 already live, and some of the hotels as well, they are signing the contracts. So let's go first to our website. Let me share my screen. Second, sorry. So a small introduction about us. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sure. We can see it.
Okay, so Connected Safety Net is a UK company. We started in 2019 and we were trading for the past 4 years here in the UAE and the Middle East. So this is our website, connectedsafetynet.co.uk. You can visit anytime. Here you can see some of our customers. So our biggest customer is Dalsco here in the UAE. They are around 16,000 employees. So here you can find the service cards, incident near miss reporting, customized audit and inspection, advanced security management, contractor management, maintenance and asset management, environmental management, training and development models, event management, emergency and crisis management, risk assessment tool and techniques. We also have our own AI tool that works only on the data that have been added to the portal or to the system. Comprehensive digital enablement AI predictors. So we've built all the processes for Rotana for the past 6 months as per the request. So our system works online and offline as well. So whenever you will get reconnected, automatically all what have been done on the mobile app or on the portal, it will directly be uploaded when it's connected. So this is about us. Whenever after this, and by the way, this session is recorded and it will be shared with you. Now we will go to the welcome pack. You will receive after this call a welcome pack. So the welcome pack will be Dear Rotana team, we are excited to welcome to the Connected Safety Net platform solution designed to simplify safety compliances and streamline your daily operation. So all the operations that have been digitalized, it has been digitalized as per the request of the hotel. So it's a copy paste, nothing have been changed from the operation. It's just digitalized, we digitalize it. So it will be more efficient for time management plus for the data. So you will get this one as well. You can upload, you just press if you're carrying an Apple phone or an Android phone, so you with one click it will take you and you will install the application. You will receive it as well here by your name, email and password. We've created as well some of demonstrations, so you can press on any of these and it will take you let's say for housekeeping, you want to see the records for housekeeping, how does the application work, it will show you. And if there is anything that you want to ask, you can directly contact us. There is a support and as well there is a WhatsApp. And after we share this one with you, so you will be the responsible for your own password. And let's say there is anything, please get in touch with us. Thank you. So this is the welcome pack. Again, you will receive it after this call for you to be able to download the app and use the app. And later on, after using the app, we really appreciate your feedback. And if there is anything that you think that in the operation it doesn't work for you, you want to start with this, you want to change this, we'll be more than happy to do that as well. So you will download the app, and directly here you will enter your name or email with your password. Then after, you will check the training site. So training site is the most place that you can go through the application and do all the forms without affecting any data from the live data. So these are already live. So here probably you will see the name of your hotel, which is the Grand Rotana Resort and Spa. Everything that you can do on the application, you can do it as well on the portal. So after signing it, you will see this. Probably you will not see all these tiles. You will see the app menu, action, and the report. So this is the app menu. So here you will find all these processes that we've already digitalized as per the hotel. So all of these forms, you will find them. Probably will not run through all of them. We will go through some of them. And if there is anything that you would like us to change as well, or it doesn't work, or you want to start, let's say, with some of them, we'll be more than happy to do that for you. So let's start with, let's say, work at height. Here, these are the previous forms that have been already done. If I want to create a new form, I'll press create. And we've already uploaded these videos to make things more simple. And let's say some of the new users forgot how to do these forms, so they can watch the video.
This is a demo video of working at height permit at Rotana. As you can see a working at height option on the screen, you will click on that and you will be able to see all the previous work permits on your screen. In order to initiate a new work permit, you will need to click on the plus button on the bottom right corner. Once you click on the plus button, you can assign the name of the contractor of the company, and let's just say it is RYD Contractors. You can write the company representative's name right here. The date of the permit will automatically pop up as of today, but you can always reassign it by clicking on it. Now, if you click on Save, it will generate a new work permit pack, which will be coming up on the top of the list. Once you click on that, you will get the options description of work, potential hazards, confirmation, permit cancellation, and permit revalidation. We are following the exact same process that you have on paper, but this is now on the application and has been digitized. In order to enter the description of work, click on this button. You can enter the work location by clicking on Yes, and the GPS coordinate will take your location. In the description of working at height, you can either type it or use speech to text. For example, description of working at height activity. Make sure that against each question, you will be able to see the 3-dot burger menu. Once you click on that, you can take a photo, take a video, upload a photo from the gallery, or upload a video from the gallery. Provide the list of tools and equipment to be used. You can attach the document and click on the folder, and you can enter the method statement, risk assessment, chemical SDS, and third-party certificates from your phone as well. In the duration of the work permit, you can put the start date, start time, end date and time, and fill in the potential hazards checklist. If you go to the potential hazards right here, you will need to fill in the risk assessment being carried out, all workers, all checklists. You need to fill in right here whether they are being followed or they're not available in this scenario. In confirmation, you will confirm the work permit, and you will need to put the name of the contractor company, contract number, contractor representative sign, and the permit issued by information below. In confirmation by persons, all the persons which are involved in this scenario, you will need to put their names in right here. In permit cancellation, every permit which has been issued is supposed to be completed or suspended. So in any case, you will need to fill in this information in order to cancel the permit, suspend the permit, or complete the permit. Permit revalidation will have all the days this permit is going on. Let's just say this is the second day of the permit. You click on day 2, and you will need to have the signature of the permit issuer and contractor representative signatures at the start of the day and at the end of the day. Thank you. Please contact support for information required.
So I think now you have a better idea how the system works. We'll do as well another form. We'll do the demolition work.
We are now doing a demo for the demolition work permit for Rotana. When you click on the demolition work pack, you will be able to see all previously created work packs. In order to create a new work activity, click the plus sign on the bottom right corner of the screen. Enter the name of the contractor company, for example, XYZ Contractors. Enter the name of the company representative and the date, which will automatically be stated. After saving, you can move on to the description of work, potential hazards, confirmation, cancellation, or permit revalidation. Let's start with the description of work. First, enter the location either by GPS or manually. Then, enter the description of the demolition activity using either speech-to-text or manually. Each question has a 3-dot menu, which allows you to comment, take photos or videos, upload them, and access the View Info button for further information. Then, enter the list of tools or equipment to be used. You can also attach documents such as the method statement, risk assessment, approvals, third-party certificates, or any other required files. For the duration of the permit, enter the start date and time and the end date and time. Check all potential hazards from the checklist. Save the form, and let's now move to the potential hazards form. In this checklist, you need to select either yes or not available. For compliance or non-compliance, which will generate a score at the end. Save and move to the confirmation form. Here you need to enter the name, contact number, date and signature of the contractor representative and the same details for the permit issuer. Similarly, enter this information for all persons involved in the work activity. Save the form. The next step is entering the cancellation form, which is used for the completion or suspension of the permit. Here, you need the name, date, time, and signature of both the contractor representative and the permit issuer. If the permit is for more than 1 day, move on to the permit revalidation form. Select the corresponding day number, check the permit opening date and time, and ensure that both the permit issuer and contractor representative sign at the start and end of the day.
So as we saw in the previous one, in the demolition, you have an action, plus you have a signature. All of these, if it doesn't work with you, we can as well enhance in them. Let's do the frosting. So we'll go to kitchen now. So this is for the frosting record.
We are now doing an instruction demo for defrosting records. Once you enter the section, you will see all previous defrosting records. To create a new form, tap the plus button on the bottom right of the screen. Select the property, kitchen and date, which may be automatically selected. The document number and revision date are fixed. Save the entry, and you will see the new pack appear at the top of the list. Click on it to proceed to the defrosting information section. Here, you will find relevant instructions regarding defrosting procedures. After reviewing the instructions, click the Add button and enter the product name, internal expiry date, original expiry date, and initial weight in kilograms. Once defrosting begins, select the date and time, then specify the defrosting method used, such as chiller or cold water. When the process is complete, Enter the completion date and time, along with the product temperature in Celsius. For each question, the three-dot menu allows you to add comments, capture or upload photos or videos, and access additional information about the question. For outlet-wise distribution, fill in all required fields, including the kilograms per outlet, and then enter any remarks and provide your signature. If an action is required, click on the Action button to assign the category, designate an action owner, add a description, set a due date, and select the priority level. Thank you. Please contact support.
So here we had a request from one of the hotels that they want to have a drop down for all the lists that they have. So this can be done, just to clarify it. We'll do one more. Cooling, cooking, cooling, and reheating temperature records.
We are now doing an instruction demo for the cooking, cooling, and reheating temperature record. Once you enter the pack, you will see all previous entries. To create a new form, tap the plus button on the bottom right of the screen, select the property, kitchen, and date, which may be automatically selected. The document number and revision date are fixed. Save the entry, and you will see the new pack appear at the top of the list. Click on it to proceed to the cooking, cooling, and reheating information section. Here, you will find instructions related to target temperatures. After reviewing the instructions, enter the food name. Each question includes a three-dot menu, allowing you to add comments, capture or upload photos or videos, and view additional information about the question. For portion cooking, enter the end time and core temperature, and specify whether the food is prepared for à la carte or buffet service. Once cooling begins, select the cooking method used, enter the start and end time, and record the end temperature. For portion reheating, enter the end time and core temperature. If any action is required, click on the Action button to select the category, assign an action owner, and provide a description. Thank you. Please contact support for further assistance.
I think now it's clearer for you how the system works. I would like to show you as well the action tracker. So we've built, as per the request of our clients and the hotel. So we've built an action tracker, which here you will see all the categories, incidents, audit, assets, anything that you want to assign. So here it will be accessible from the people that will do the task, and as well the super user. The super user, which is they are 5. They can assign people to do these tasks. As well, they can do as well for them the calendar. So they can plan the calendar for all over the year and see what have been accomplished. And let's say someone have already, let's say he's on vacation and you want to assign it to someone else. I will show you later on. We can assign him as well. The action tracker will show you who are assigned. You can see as well the priority of the task, if it is low, medium, high. If you want to see it by today or 3 days, what should be done. Category, we've already spoke about the category. Let's press on this one. So here, let's say you want to change who you want to assign. You can just check and assign it to someone else. If you want as well to change the date, you can do it in one click. I want to do it on Monday, let's say. Save. Even if I want to see what's the process of it or change it, I want to move it to August, I can do that as well in one click. Priority, if I want to change the priority of the task, I want to make it as a low. If I want to close the action, one button, I can close it, and then after I can revert if I want to see what things have been or actions have been closed. I can go to check them later on. So, and if I want to go to the main action, I can press this one. It will take me to the main action. Description, I can change the description. Save. If I want to upload any file or any image to have track, I can do that as well. Comments, I can add as well comments on it. So this is the action tracker. I will show you as well one more feature, which is the QR code. We've built it as per the request of the hotel. So for the people that doesn't have this application or the access, we've built a QR code for them. For visitor and health questionnaire. So they will go. Second. They will scan. And it will take them directly to what they need to fill. So again, if they want to upload their photo, anything they want to check the reservation date, visitor name, company name. So these can be changed as well. So this have been built as per the hotel that we got the request from them. Then after they will sign and submit. I would like Faizan to show us as well the Power BI. Faizan, please.
Good morning, guys. This is Faizan. I'm head of implementation. We had a very amazing experience implementing the previous two hotels that are live with all these solutions that you saw. So, what they are doing, they are filling all the forms, all the forms that you have gone through. You will be receiving a welcome back, by the way, and you will be having the access to all these forms. So you will be, once you fill out all those forms, you will be able to see all of the information reports on Power BI. So I'll just share my screen and I'll show you how they are doing. So right now you can see the Power BI for Rotana Hotels, and that is for AJRD and APD. You can see that they have built more than 13,000 number of forms, and you can search them by the year, by month, by sites, by statuses, by form name, and action by as well. You have the graphical representation of number of forms by form name, number of forms by the month, and also number of forms by the person. If I go to forms summary here, you also will have the search filter year, monthly, site wise. So right now there are three sites here: Al Jadaf, Arabian Park, and Park Apartments, and then statuses as well, which are the closed one, which are the on progress, which are the open one, and the form names, all the form names. So you have a color scheme of the forms as well, and number of forms by the persons as well. How many number of forms has been done? All the persons will be coming up right here. I will go to the capture perform calendar. Here you will be able to see the calendar, and you will be able to see that in one day who are filling all the forms. So the color scheme is right there. For example, if you take your mouse right there, you will be able to see that this is cooking, cooling, and reheating, and it's been done on the side of Arabian Park Edge by Rodana. And you will be able to see all the forms which has been done, and did those forms, right? And if I quickly jump to the cooking, cooling, and reheating, here you will be able to see all of your data from cooking, cooling, and reheating combined in one page. For example, there are certain government authorities visits that requires these kind of record. So you can just download it from here and just have a signature for the EHS and the head chef, and keep it as a record for the government authorities visit a certain visit. So also you have a date range here, and you can see the count that they have done more than 9,000 cooking, cooling, and reheating records. Year, monthly, action by, site assigned by, and the date range will be here. Then the same goes with the receiving record as well. So all the receiving records that you are putting into the application, you will have a combined data coming up right here. And you can analyze the data here as well, and you can download it into your own format to keep a record for the government official certain visits. This will be downloaded into your own format, and you can see the count that it's more than 4,000 records that they have built over the last 4 months. So defrosting record, all the defrosting record will also be coming up right here. You saw a form in the training site where it was mentioned about the defrosting record. So you will be creating your defrosting record box into the application, but here you will be able to see a combined report. What's happening with your defrosting record? What is the expiry date, the started date, methods of defrosting, completed date, completed time as well, product temperatures. So you can download this report and keep it for your government officials visits as well. So this will be useful for those. But keep in mind that this thing will be totally customizable. For example, you don't want to see the reports in that way, and you have your own idea of seeing the reports, analyzing the reports. So you can just get in touch with us, and we will customize it for you according to your needs, because each hotel will have their separate Power BI, and they will be able to see the data as they want to see.
Now I will start introducing some of the team. Bilal, could you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, thank you, Ilya. Hi. So it's Bilal Mahmood here. So I am head of operations and offshore, and I've been serving IT industry for the last 24 years now. And uh, we are at here at CSN, we are following ITIL support model. So all the requests coming from the clients regarding level 1, level 2, and level 3, they are directly handled by the IT support here. And just to add one thing here, so like this, the forms we have just showing you, these are the templates for you, because the other Rotana hotels they're using it, but this is not something definitely will be 100% compliant with your processes. So definitely all these are customizable. So with the journey with the new hotels, so definitely we will be getting requests from you. We'll be changing all these according to your process to make your processes more efficient. Thank you.
Thank you, Bilal. Faizan, could you please guide us through as well the implementation and introduce yourself again?
Yes. First of all, I would like to introduce Shaista here. She is doing the handling the implementation and the tweakings in the form as well. Shaista, can you introduce?
Sure. Thank you, Fazan. Hello, everyone. My name is Shaista Marwat, and I'm working as Business Improvement Specialist. Mostly, I look into the support for the clients whenever they require and digitize their forms. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Shaista.
Shaista. So, as I mentioned that I am the head of implementation. We had an amazing experience with the Rotana. So, what the next steps will be, I will be sending you the welcome pack after this call. You might receive it by the end of the day, and you need to go to the training site. This training site that we have created is just for the practicing. All right, you can go into any form. You can see either this form is according to your operations, or there are some changes required. You will tell me the changes, I'll do those changes and make your live site, and you will have access to that, and you can make live your operations. So what I will appreciate the feedback once you start using it on the training site. You will have a lot of questions that, for example, in cooking, cleaning, and reheating, once we started onboarding the other hotels, they said that we have limited food items, so we want a drop down. We don't want to write it, so we gave them a drop down. There was an inspection form. So the inspection form that we have created is according to the inspection form that inspections area that are in AJRD and APD. So you will have the different areas of the inspections, or might be different questions as well. So you can share with me those, and we can build the same format in different area for the different areas and for the different questions that you have. So it will be an exciting journey. I'm very excited to working with you guys. So looking forward to your feedback.
Now we'll open house for questions. So please, if you have any questions that we would love to answer, Mr. Magdi.
Actually, Mr. Magdi is not here now. He's just handling something else.
but everything is clear for us. We don't have any questions.
So there is no questions. All is clear.
Yeah, all is clear. And also we'll try it after the meeting. And if, of course, if there is something, we'll go deeply. If there is something we'll raise up, we'll of course we'll share it with you.
Okay, so please just inform Mr. Magdi. So whoever he wants to be on the platform, so we can share with them the welcome pack, so they can start playing with the system, and share with us as well the feedback. Please let him share with me all the emails that he wants to add on the system.
Sure, I will let him text you directly after the meeting. Sure.
Yeah, thank you so much. We really appreciate your time. So, and looking forward as well to start implementing.
Thank you so much. Thank you for your time.
Thank you all. Thank you. Good day.
Thank you.
Bye.